Hey there, it's Ashley from WTI, and what I have here is something that we all know too well, and that's a face mask. This is from AKGK, and this is in the color black. This is by far my favorite face mask to wear. This is the KN95, and it is so comfortable. It's so breathable. It goes with everything, black, and also the ear straps are really stretchy and they're very soft. So if you're wearing it for a long period of time, you don't get that tugging on your ear that maybe you've experienced before. I know I have, and it starts to wear and it starts to get tender. And so this is a really nice face mask. I really like this, and you can also hear somebody talk, and I'll demonstrate that right now. So this is how I put it on, and you can hear me clearly even with the face mask on. This is really nice. It's really comfortable. I also like that it doesn't ride up as you're talking. It stays right on your nose. As you can see, I'm talking and it is not going into my eyes. I can look down and it's not uncomfortable at all. So I would highly recommend this one. It's just been really nice for our family. It comes in a big pack, and then you can go ahead and throw them away when you're done with them. But that's just my point of view.